In this video, we're talking about when to cancel a contract on a home remodel, especially when your contractor's dragging their feet and you're stuck waiting way too long. So here's the deal. If your contractor's been delaying your kitchen remodel for 5 months, even with a deposit down and cabinets ready to go, you've got every right to be frustrated. First off, keep all your communication in writing, like emails, so you have a clear timeline of what's been said and promised. It's cool that your contractor's responsive, but responsiveness alone doesn't cut it when the project isn't moving. You want to set a firm deadline for when the work should start or be completed, and if they can't meet it, that's a red flag. Also, check your contract for any clauses about delays or cancellation. Some contracts let you get out if the timeline isn't met. If your contractor says delays are because of license renewals, ask for proof or updates on that process. It's not unreasonable to expect transparency. Meanwhile, keep your receipts and documentation of any deposits or payments handy in case you need to dispute anything. Lastly, don't be shy about looking for another contractor who can start sooner. Waiting 5 months with new appliances just sitting there is no joke. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with contractor delays is not having clear terms about timelines and cancellations in their contract, which leaves them stuck with little power to act. Another common issue is not documenting everything. If you just rely on verbal promises or casual texts, it's harder to prove delays or breaches later on. A third mistake is waiting too long to address the problem. Sometimes folks hope things will just work out. But if delays drag on without a solid plan, it's smarter to push for a resolution or walk away early. The fix here? Always get a detailed contract with clear deadlines, keep all communications saved, and don't hesitate to ask tough questions or consider a new contractor if things stall. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners like you because it connects you with trustworthy local contractors who are ready to get started without endless delays. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself looking for work, it's a great platform to find new projects and build your reputation by helping homeowners manage their remodels smoothly.